Hello everyone, this is Sangeetha, Assistant Professor ECE Department SNS College of Engineering. So today we are going to discuss about the basics of microprocessors and microcontrollers. So this video covers what is microprocessor, what are the major components of a computer and how the microprocessor works. So let us start with the basic definition of microprocessor. Processor means a device that processes numbers, specifically binary numbers, zeros and ones, because the computer knows only the machine language zeros and ones. So microprocessor is a multi-purpose programmable device that accepts digital data as input, processes it according to the instruction stored in its memory, and provides results as input. So it is a central, it covers the central processing unit contained on a single chip, that is it is a chip, single chip or IC. It's mainly designed to execute instructions and perform calculations for various computing tasks. And these are the major components of a computer, that is input, central processing unit, and output. So the input and output units are connected through ports, and here the CPU, inside the CPU, ALU is a main function, main block, and the memory. So, the microprocessor serve as a brain of a computer system, interpreting and executing instructions from software programs. So, this instruction cover a wide range of tasks, including arithmetic and logical operations, data manipulation, input-output operation, and control flow. So, the microprocessors are designed based on a specific architecture. So a typical microprocessor includes these are the components. So the main component is the ALU, control unit, registers, memory. That is, there are many types of memory: primary memory, secondary memory. In primary memory, again it is classified into two types: RAM and ROM. So that is RAM is again classified into two types: static RAM and dynamic RAM. And ROM is read-only memory. It is again classified into a programmable read-only memory PROM, erasable programmable read-only memory EPROM, and electrically erasable programmable read-only memory EEPROM. So these components are work together to fetch, decode and execute instruction, as well as manage data flow within the processor and between the external devices. So all these devices are connected through buses. Okay. So next we will discuss about, let us move on to buses. So bus is a communication path to transfer the data between these components. So there are three types of buses: address bus, data bus, and control bus. So address bus is used to carry address signal. So it is generated by the microprocessor and sent to the micro memory. So it is a unidirectional bus. And data bus is used to transfer data between these devices, and it is a bidirectional bus. So the data can be transferred from memory to microprocessor and microprocessor to memory. So it is bidirectional. And control bus is used to carry control signal. So control signal, there are two types of control signals, and read and write are the basic control signals. If the control signal, that is the read and write operations are related or belongs to memory, it is called memory read and memory write. And if the read and write operation belongs to the input and output devices, it is called IO read and IO write. So bus is a communication path to transfer the data. So there are three types of buses. Okay. And next we will move on to timing and control unit. So it provides timing and control signal to the microprocessor to perform various operations. So it controls all the internal and external circuits. It operates with reference to the clock signal. It synchronizes all the operations. So the clock speed, that is clock signal. The clock signal is generated by using oscillator circuits. So oscillators are the devices used to generate various waveforms. Here we are using crystal oscillator to generate a square waveform. So clock speed, again coming to clock speed, the microprocessor operated at a certain clock speed measured in clock cycles per second. A higher clock speed generally allows the processor to execute instruction more quickly. So there are three types of control signal: ALE, read and write. And the main applications so the main applications of the microprocessor, because the microprocessors are used in wide range of application and devices, including personal computers, servers, embedded systems. So in servers, microprocessors are used in server system to handle network storage and computing tasks for business, organization and cloud services. And in embedded systems, microprocessors are integrated into embedded systems like consumer electronics, that is smartphones, tablets and TVs, gaming consoles, smartphones and tablets, wearable devices, network equipment are the major applications of a computer. Hope this video is very useful to know the basics of microprocessor and microcontroller. Thank you.